Hi, welcome to Sikkhon.com. In today's video, we will learn that using MS Excel, how we can create a data entry form. First, we have to open an Excel file and then save it. First, for a data entry form, we need to create a data entry table. In our last video, we have already learned how to create a table. If you guys haven't seen our last video, then you can go and check how to create a proper table in Excel. Before starting the table, we need to give a heading. Name, fathers, mobile, email, address. These are the fields of the data sheet that we are going to prepare. And now when we will convert our fields into tables, then we have to select and press Format as Table. Now we will select My Table has Header. Okay. Now we will see the heading which we have prepared for our table. That heading has been converted into header. Now we will convert this form into data entry so that we can save our time and effort and work smart. Suppose if we write each name individually. For example, Sagar. Then again we have to click here. Then again we have to click here and fill all the details. So in this way, if we will create a big data entry, suppose for a school or a client, when we will insert all the details, then it will take a lot of effort and will be very time consuming. So in that case, we will learn that how we can easily work using shortcuts. So let's get into today's video. For doing this, first we have to click on the Excel button, and then from down below, we will click on the Excel options. After clicking, we will see that a window has appeared in front of us. Here we can see we have a lot of options, but today we are going to work with Customize. After clicking on Customize, we will see some options that will appear on our right. Now we will click on the first option, that is Choose Commands From. Then from this, we will click on the drop-down button. Then after that, the second option that we have, that is Command Not in the ribbon. We will be clicking on that. Then after doing that, we will come downwards and then we will get an option named Form. Let's go downwards by dragging. More downwards. Here we will get an option named Form. For more confirmation, we will recheck the name here. After that, we will click on the Add button. As it has already been added here, in that case, we will remove our previous form. Then after that, we will click on the Add button again. Then we will see our form option has been appeared on our right hand side. When it will come towards right, then we will click on the OK button. After that, if we look upwards, then we can see a new option has arrived here. This option is known as Form option. So let's deselect it and then we click here. Then we will see a form similar to data entry has appeared in front of us. It means the name of our fields, like if you recall them, it was name, father, mobile address and email. Here we will look at our form's entry option. In that option also we can see that automatically our form has generated with all the fields like name, father and so on. Let's see how it works first. We will write the name, for example MD Sagar, then his father's name Abdul Mia. Then we will fill the mobile number. After that, email address Alamin Hussain 986@gmail.com. Then we will give the address, for example Gulshan. We will fill the details as much as required and then we will click on New. If we see as a result of our data entry, all the details has been automatically updated in our form. In this way, the amount of details we will put as an example, and then we want to create a new one, then we can see our data has already been inserted. So in this way, we will work with long data. For example, if we have a database of 100 files, by using very simple methods, we can easily insert our data. In the same way, if we want to remove it, then we can click on our table. In the same way, if we want to edit or put some extra designs, then we can easily do it from here. Then again, if we want to enter some data, in the same way we can click on the button. We can see that our previous data that was here has already appeared again. Here downwards we have some options like find previous or find next. So if we click on next, all the next details will come forward. We only have 2 data, so next will not work again. So in this way we can bring here and update our next data. So next time when we click on this button, then we will see our previous data has already been appeared. So simply we will press on new instead of delete. When we press on new, we will insert all our new data over here. And then after that, if we press on new, we will see that all our data has been updated in the 3rd row. So this is one of the very simple and easy way through which in our MS Excel we can create a data entry form and work on data entry. And this is one of the easiest way through which we can work on data entry and create a data entry table in MS Excel. Thank you for watching Sikkhon.com.